Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Xbox without a controller. You will first need a wired USB keyboard and a wired USB mouse. These peripherals provide an excellent alternative to a standard controller, especially for games requiring precise movement or extensive typing. This method enhances your gameplay experience by offering familiar computer controls on your console, opening up new possibilities for how you interact with Roblox. Connecting your keyboard and mouse to your Xbox is a straightforward process. Look for the USB ports, typically located on the front or back of your console. Simply insert the USB cable from your keyboard into one port and your mouse into another. Your Xbox will usually detect these devices automatically, preparing them for immediate use. You should notice the mouse cursor appear on screen, confirming a successful connection and readiness to navigate. Once connected, your mouse becomes your primary tool for navigating the Xbox dashboard. You can click through menus, select the Roblox application, and initiate games just as you would on a computer. The keyboard is useful for typing in search bars or entering account information. Inside Roblox, the mouse continues to serve as your cursor, allowing you to easily browse games, customize your avatar, and interact with various in-game menus, providing a fluid experience. Inside your chosen Roblox game, the keyboard and mouse truly shine. You will use the W, A, S, and D keys for fluid character movement, while your mouse controls the camera angle and allows for precise interactions with game elements. The spacebar is commonly assigned to jump, and additional keyboard keys will activate various in-game actions. This setup offers a familiar and often more precise control scheme, enhancing your overall gaming experience in many Roblox adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.